Hi, this is Babs O'Hela with House O'Hela. Today I'll be talking about, I'm like, which way is the camera? Today I'll be talking about panning my Too Faced products. So, I am very proud of myself. I finally panned this gal, I don't know. I know this is probably a dinosaur. It is a dinosaur, but I got this for free from this chick. I was buying another Too Faced contour kit. It was like the first cocoa powder one. It's the older version of this. My husband got me one for Christmas, and then I panned that one we're talking years ago, and the chick, she was trying to sell this one too, but when I went to go buy the contour kit from her, she just threw it in for free. So I didn't really know what to do with it. I know it comes with like these little guides or whatever, but I didn't start using it for a while. And then when I was introduced to project panning on YouTube, I was like, all right, this is going to be part of my first project pan. I've since kind of edited the way I want to do my project pan, especially because it was taking me forever to do it. But anyway, yes, I finally panned it. So happy. So, since today's video is about Too Faced, I'll go ahead and show you all my Too Faced products. I have a total of 4. I used to have 6, but my contour kit got the one that I bought from the chick. That one I left in my car, and I'm pretty sure it was my husband. Me and my husband, left the car unlocked one night, and everything out of our trunk got stolen, and some things from the front, and one of those things in the front was my Too Faced Cocoa Contour. So I ended up buying this later on, which I still have barely touched it. Obviously, it's like I haven't touched it, because then I realized I had this guy, and I was like, I should probably put this to use in whatever other older contour stuff I have. And I did it. I finally did it. sorry, I keep bringing that up. But anyway, the next thing that I have, you saw this one. So technically, I actually don't have 4 in total, because I panned the bronze and the beautiful. But I have 3. And then the other one I have is this one. This one I am actually not looking forward to panning, because I love it so much. The smell, the look, I just love those shadows. But I am kind of past getting Too Faced a little bit. Like, what I mean is I don't know that I'll be buying any more of the products. YouTube has introduced me to other brands, I'm kind of tempted of buying other stuff, other brands. Nothing against you, Too Faced. Love you, thank you for everything you've given me, but yeah, I think I'm moving on. So the last thing I have, and you saw this in my last video, is this Too Faced chocolate bar, the semi-sweet one. Yep, that was the first one I panned. That was the coconut cream, and that one was basically, just the white, like, brow bone. Of course, that was the first to go. And then this one, this pink one, the pink sugar, that one, actually, I can't give myself too much credit for that one, because my 3-year-old daughter helped me kind of pan that one. She would see me doing my makeup in the mornings, and she wanted to be like mommy and she wanted to put some makeup on. Of course I didn't let her put too much, but I would let her pick whatever color she wanted from this palette, and she would always go for the pink. So that's half me, half Jean. And then the other one is this one, the Mousse. Again, not surprising. These are pretty neutral colors. I think that most project panners have a similar issue. From what I understand, we use the ones that are, we pan the ones that we are more likely to use quicker, you know, that we can use in a lot of looks, so that makes sense. Anyway, so that is the total of my Too Faced products. You know, another thing I kind of wanted to comment on about Too Faced, and maybe part of the reason why I don't really want to buy any more of their products, is because of the packaging. Don't get me wrong, I love the packaging. I love holding this cold metal, and I like the sound of it closing and the feeling of it. It's very solid, and it feels like it's gonna have more protection. It's shiny, right? But you know, obviously other project panners are talking about how, you know, when you're throwing it away, it feels kind of like a waste, you know, especially for, this is just gorgeous. I know it's all smudged up because of me, but like, it's gorgeous, right? Just that gold, it's just so pretty. But yeah, I mean, aside from like the aesthetic, like feeling like it's being a waste, I guess it's not good for the planet. I don't want to go down that whole rabbit hole. I think probably the kindest to throw away is this one, because it's mostly like a cardboard feeling material. But yeah, I think part of that is why I won't be buying that anymore. And yeah, I will miss the smells, because like I said, I love this Tutti Frutti, the pineapple one, and I love the smell of the chocolate ones. They smell so good. That's why I wanted it to begin with. Why my husband got me my first Too Faced contour kit was because of the chocolate smell. One more part, and that is using my Pinterest strategy to kind of help push panning this guy. So I will be right back. I will have my next look that I pulled from Pinterest that I have saved for today. I'm back. Oh my god. Okay, I totally botched this look. And it's weird because I looked at that look and I was like, okay, it's sleek, you know, but it doesn't look too complicated. But I underestimated that, or sorry if you hear that, that's my husband turning on our WRX. Anyway, I either underestimated that photo or I overestimated myself. But anyway, here's a closer look. Oh my god, it's so bad. I know. It's honestly, I'm still proud of myself for doing this though, because I never would have even tried to attempt this look because it was just way above my makeup skills. So yeah, now that that's done, I'll tell you what I was using for the colors. I mean, they're obviously not the same. I mean, aside from me like just butchering it, they're not the same. There's a different colors I used for obviously the brow bone on the model. I don't even think she has a brown or brow bone color, or maybe she has one that's closer to her skin tone. But I in the spirit of sorry, I keep looking at myself at the screen instead of looking at you in the lens. Sorry. In the spirit of doing a Too Faced video, I just wanted to stick with my Too Faced colors that I have. So instead of doing like that white pearl like shimmer that the model has, I used this butter pecan. It's kind of more of like a gold shimmer. And then of course I used the black licorice for the black shadow. And then I used, for the brow area, I used, it's called no, that's not it. Sorry. That is a downfall to this guy, is that they don't put the names. I love when they have the names right next to the pans, but with this one they put it on the back, so I'm over here like, this one is called, wait, no, that's upside down. Anyway, yeah, no, so this one is called Yum Yum, and it smells yum yum. But yeah, maybe with some more practice I can do it. If you watch my last video, I save the Pinterest looks that I've tried on a separate board from the ones I want to try. Of course, after I've completed them, right? I totally completed this look. Anyway, after I've, tried them, I save them, because even though I may not like a look, I have to kind of evaluate whether that was because I just genuinely didn't like enjoy doing that look, or if I didn't like it because I didn't like the way I executed it. And this is definitely one of those looks. I think it's such a sleek, minimalist look, kind of, in a way. It's not crazy with the colors, but like, if well executed, like the photo, like that would be perfect for like any event, right? Like I think but anyway, yeah, so this will be going into the completed looks board on Pinterest. Again, if you haven't already, go check out my Pinterest account. It will be in the description, and along with the links to my boards. You can find this, not this look, but the inspiration for it, the picture that you see now will be on the completed looks board. So again, thank you for giving me a little bit of your time. I know your time is precious, and so I feel very fortunate that you gave however many minutes of it to me. So from wherever you're watching, good day or good night. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.